Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another video for you guys I'm doing today. In my household today, we are all sick. Everyone has come down with something. We got fevers going on, a lot going on. So I'm trying to make up something for dinner in the crock pot for tonight. I have some potatoes. I'm making some creamy potato soup. So I diced up a bunch of potatoes, and I got my crock pot set on high for 4 hours. So I'm just gonna dice these up, dice some onions up and some celery, and put in some chicken broth in here and let it cook on high for 4 hours. So this is gonna be really light and creamy, but it'll be a little solid. So at least we, the kids will have something a little more solid than just broth in their bellies. So I'll be finished chopping these up, and then I'll get my onion. Okay, you guys, so I have like a half a stick of celery, and I have like a fourth of an onion I cut up. I put 8 cups of water in here, and I put chicken bouillon. So I put 8 teaspoons of chicken bouillon because it's 1 teaspoon per cup. So I'm gonna let this go for 4 hours, and we'll be back when it's ready. All right, you guys, so this has been 4 hours. I just took the lid off. I'm trying to let it cool down a little bit. So like I said, I put the celery, some onion, and potatoes. I did put a little cracked black pepper, and I did some water and chicken bouillon powder stuff to make like chicken broth, since I didn't have like pre-made chicken broth or anything. So I'm gonna let this cool off a little bit, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just throw all this in the blender to make it a really just creamy potato soup, so it's easy to eat, easy to yeah, so you don't have to chew or anything, you just have to sip. So we're gonna do that here next. Okay, you guys, so I've been letting it cool for a little. I got my blender out here. I'm using the Ninja one. So I'm gonna fill this up and then blend it together. Just filling this up. Okay, you guys, so I have it all in the blender now. I kind of did a little bit more. This is almost all the soup that I made, minus a little bit of liquid that I had left. So we're going to blend this up. It will get a little loud. I hope we don't explode here. Okay guys, so it's all blended. I'm gonna just pop the lid off, and it looks really good, really blended up. I'm just gonna pour it back into the crock pot and show you. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it all in. It's super, I should have took that out. So this is really nice. You can throw some bacon bits on it, some shredded cheese if you want, green onions, whatever you like. It's really smooth and creamy, especially for days when you're sick. If you've had wisdom teeth removed, you probably won't want to do the bacon with that. But yeah, this is really good. I tasted it, had really good flavor, because chicken broth is really salty already, so which makes it a really easy meal to make. So hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna dish up a bowl of this and show you guys how we serve it up. All right, you guys, so this is really easy, simple. You could serve this with like butter bread, or toasted bread, or something. I don't have any right now, so we're just gonna use, like, if anybody wants it, we'll do like crackers or something on the side with it. I'm just gonna throw, this is optional, you don't even have to, so I'm gonna just throw a little cheese. If you have green onion, you can do that. I don't have any, so just gonna do like a little cheese and some crunchy bacon, and boom, this is it. This is our dinner for tonight. The kids probably won't have the cheese or the bacon because they're sick, but I'm going to have this So I hope you guys give this a try. Let me know what you think. It's really quick and really easy to make, especially on days when you're super busy and have a lot going on. Winter days, cold days. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.